How to enable approval to join Instagram group chat. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you enable approval to join Instagram group chat. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Instagram with your account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on that message icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so now from here you'll have to open that group chat or you want to enable the approval feature. Alright, so now from here to enable this approval feature, make sure that you are the admin of that group chat. So now from here you'll have to just tap on that group chat name. Alright, so from here you'll have to go the options people, so simply tap on it. Okay, so now from this people section, you will be able to find the options like require admin approval to join. So simply tap on the option require approval to join. So after you turn on this feature from here, you will be able to enable the approval to join Instagram group chat. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.